I just had my last night in Blackpool. So I'm on my way to Nelson. Another series of fantastic videos. I'm tired. But I had to stop here. This is the Lower Buller Gorge, and bloody nice spot. There's the rental. That's what I'm using to get all my shit to Nelson. And this is the Lower Buller Gorge. Fantastic. So we're on our way to Australia now. See you there.